These are a Carnival classic, but this recipe is an even simpler version with extra softness. Let's make castagnole with ricotta in the dough. The star of this dough is precisely the cow's milk ricotta, which I have already drained. There is no need to sift it. Stir it quickly with the egg, making sure to smooth out all the lumps. Then, flavor it with the orange zest. Always use untreated oranges. Also, lemon zest, mandarin zest, or even rum are also great for giving the dough an extra twist. Now add in the sugar, give that another vigorous stir, and then pour in the flour, little by little, and the sifted baking powder. In the final stage, instead of a whisk, we'll use a spatula, which will help us to better incorporate any bits of flour. And now that our dough is ready, we can begin to shape our castagnole. The texture of the dough is very soft, but this is precisely the secret of this castagnole recipe. We just need to use a little extra flour, and just be a little more patient with it. Once we have shaped all our castagnole, we can fry them in hot oil at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius, being careful to turn them until they are golden brown. Don't settle for when they first turn golden. They must have a nice hazelnut color, because it means they will also be well cooked in their centers. Now they're ready. Drain them onto some fry paper, and while they are still hot, you can transfer them to the sugar, making sure to get them well covered in it. And now we have our castagnole that are finally ready to be tasted. They are super soft. Wow, those are so good.
Buon appetito!